You search for how to buy shares of Precision Optics Corp Inc. /MAS. The company makes precision optical components and systems and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker POCI. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to be able to place orders. Use the platform search field and type the ticker POCI to locate Precision Optics. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to find the correct company. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to see recent movements and essential information. Double-check the company name, the NASDAQ exchange, and the POCI ticker to confirm it is the right stock. To buy, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a market or limit order. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the transaction completes. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it and set alerts. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform further.